Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Nurlaitul Kutriyah. You can call me Laila. Okay, I will explain about question tag and adverb of manner. Let's see my video. Okay, before it, I will explain about question tags. Question tags are short questions that are often found at the end of a sentence. In a sentence, in Indonesian, question tags can be interpreted as right or not or yes and others. Okay, question tags. There are 10 kinds. Okay, the number one is if the sentence is positive, then the question tag is negative. For example, Laila is smart. The question text is isn't she, or and others. Okay, number two is if the sentence is a prohibition or comment, use will you for the question tag. For example, don't be noisy. The question text is will you? And number three is if the sentence is negative, then the question tag is positive. For example, Laila is not smart. And the question tag is he? Is she? Number four is if the sentence use simple present or simple past that use do or does for present or did for past. For example, Sinta buys Amanda cakes in Bandung, doesn't she? So the question text is doesn't she. Okay, number five is if the subject is I am, then the question tag is not I. However, if the subject is I am not, then the question tag is am I. For example, I am not rude, am I? Because the subject is I am not. Or I'm diligent. Aren't not? Aren't I? For example, because the subject is I am. Number six is if the sentence use modals, then use modals for the question text. Especially for then modals have to use the auxiliary word do for the question text. For example, they have to make a film now, don't they? And the number seven is if the subject is somebody, everyone, someone, everybody, no one, and nobody, then use they in the question tag. For example, everybody went to the restaurant, didn't they? Number 8 is if the sentence contains a word with a negative meaning. For example, nobody, hardly, no one, really, nothing, really, barely, then use a positive question text. For example, she never seems to care, does she? Okay, the next number 9 is if the subject is something, everything, nothing, then use it in the question tag. For example, something is moving, isn't it? Okay, the last is if the sentence starts with let's, then the question text is shall we. For example, let's forget it, shall we? Okay, point number 2 is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner describe how an action is performed or the way something happens. They provide more information about the verb in a sentence. Adverb of manner often end in L and Y and answer the manner and answer the question how. Here, for example, is Laila sings beautifully, or he runs carefully, and others. And then adverb of manner as enhance the description of action and have to provide a clear picture of how something is done. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.